Get involved with video marketing to enhance your business. Yes, that is the topic today, folks. This is Mansoor Suhaib from My Learning Center. The moment is now. If you haven't already started using video marketing, you can outsource this or complete it pretty quickly at home on your own by just using your cell phone. Because Google owns YouTube.com, everyone is aware of how quickly your video will be indexed by the search engine for a certain keyword or keywords, as well as the volume of traffic that a single video can provide. If you believe that you cannot participate in video marketing because you simply lack the knowledge, resources, or cash, think again. Regardless of the niche industry you're in, all you need to do is talk about it for a little while. If you're advertising a product, you can offer advice, hints, or a product review. You may be promoting a service or product you develop yourself, or more likely, one you are an associate for. The easiest and most effective way to have your video listed on search engines like Google is to include the keyword you want to rank for in the title of the video. The tags area of your video also allows you to add keyword tags. A YouTube.com account may be created extremely quickly and for no cost, and you are welcome to upload as many videos as you want. You have access to a free, extremely effective marketing tool right now. Furthermore, after publishing a video to YouTube, you will get traffic from both YouTube users and Google searchers to your video as well. On the other hand, you may also embed the movie on your website. For you to easily copy and paste into your website or blog, they provide the embedded HTML code. It does not cost you a penny and gives your website the power of video. If you do not engage in video marketing throughout the course of the upcoming years, you are surely losing money. This advice has given you another way to improve your company and raise your profits in the upcoming years. Thanks for listening, folks. Join our Facebook group, My Learning Center. Subscribe to our channel, My Learning Center on YouTube. Visit our website for quality ebooks, audio courses, HD video courses, and many more.